To fix a dish network router that is not detected, it is essential to understand the reasons why this issue occurs and how to troubleshoot it effectively. The dish network router is a crucial component of the satellite television system, and its proper functioning is necessary for uninterrupted service. First, let's explore the reasons why the dish network router may not be detected. The most common causes include a loose or faulty connection, outdated firmware, incorrect settings, and physical obstructions. It is also possible that the router is not properly configured or that there is interference from other devices. To troubleshoot the issue, start by checking the physical connections. Ensure that all cables are securely plugged into the correct ports and that there are no signs of damage. Next, restart the router and the receiver to reset the connection. This simple step can often resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check the router's firmware and update it if necessary. Dish Network regularly releases firmware updates to improve performance and fix bugs, so it is essential to ensure that the router is running the latest version. Another crucial step is to check the settings on the router and the receiver. Ensure that the router is set to the correct mode and that the receiver is configured to connect to the router. Consult the user manual or contact Dish Network support for guidance on configuring the settings. In some cases, physical obstructions or interference from other devices can cause the router to not be detected. Try moving the router to a different location or switching off nearby devices to minimize interference. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the router to its factory settings or contact Dish Network support for further assistance. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions when troubleshooting and repairing the router to avoid causing further damage. By following these steps and understanding the common causes of the issue, you should be able to fix the Dish Network router that is not detected and enjoy uninterrupted satellite television service. Remember to always check the physical connections, update the firmware, and configure the settings correctly to prevent future issues.